Did you know the most powerful military commander in Europe drowned in 3 feet of water? Frederick Barbarossa was the Holy Roman Emperor who had conquered most of Europe through sheer force and brilliant strategy. In 1190, he led the largest crusading army ever assembled, 100,000 soldiers marching toward the Holy Land. This was the Third Crusade, and Barbarossa was unstoppable until June 10th, when everything changed in the most absurd way possible. While crossing the shallow Salef River in Turkey, just days from their destination, the mighty emperor somehow drowned. The water was barely waist deep, something any child could have waded through safely. Some say he was bathing, others claim he fell from his horse while crossing. Either way, the legendary warrior who had defeated countless enemies died in a stream. His death instantly shattered the most powerful army of the medieval world. Soldiers abandoned the crusade and fled home in despair, their invincible leader gone. The man who conquered Europe was defeated by 3 feet of water.